So may mga kanya-kanyang time ang bawat isa. Maganda ibalik natin sa paglilingkod sa ating Panginoon. So the anointing of Issachar is going to be imparted to you. Ibig sabihin yung prophetic ministry. And you are going to experience, lima yan, the double blessings in this season. Sabi ko, maranasan mo, double blessings.
It's gonna get better. If you're not okay, it's not gonna end this way. Today is the day to change. It's the time, it's the place.
Sahana, ha ha.